Hey, what is going on, guys? So I just got this Apple Watch band here. This is for the Series 4 44 millimeter, and this one here has a rugged protective case on here, and it comes in a variety of colors as well. But let me go ahead and open this up, and we'll try to install my Series 4 44 millimeter Apple Watch there. So let me open this up. Let me give you like a quick glance what this looks like here. So it's kind of like a rubbery texture here. And you have the buckles right here. It's a dual buckle right there. And you have the loop right here. And this is the box that it comes in right here as well. And this is my previous review I just did with this leather band here. All my Apple Watch band reviews are going to be in the playlist in the link below. But let me go ahead and take this one off here. To take them off, you just press that little button there. It's a magnet button. Press down and then slide it out. This case here is definitely worth it too, I think. This is genuine leather, and this one here was only $12.99, and it had like tons of almost 5-star Amazon review, tons of reviews as well. The other side here has like a little button. Just click it, hold it down, and just slide that out like that. Now for this one here, it basically gives you just the instructions with just pictures. Number 1, 2, step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, so it looks like I go in this way, like this, and oh, cool. Okay, yeah, kind of like snaps right in place. Yeah, it's definitely secure. Wow, that was pretty easy to do, actually. Let me go ahead and put this on. Put it through the loop right here. Yeah, I like it. It looks like it's kind of thick too. I mean, it's thicker than these other bands that I have. Yeah, it's a little bit thicker, as you can see there. But if you want to look more manlier. I like it. Not bad, not bad. Let me go ahead and take it off here. Let me show you one more glance at it. And I also put it on my watch stand too. So again, this is kind of like rubbery here. Okay, no smell to it. Again, I paid like $22.99 for this. And they do have a lot of reviews on this as well on Amazon. So far, they have like 775, and it's almost 5-star as well. And you can see the insides here. Again, this is a SUPCASE by SUPCASE. It does say made in China there as well, but all of them are made in China. And yeah, so let's say I'm going to bed right now. Just whip that bad boy on there like that. Usually, as soon as I put it on there, it should charge right away. Okay, interesting. That is weird. Let me pull it out again. And you can see the back here perfectly. Let me put it on there. Okay, I think I know what's going on here. Okay, so, I mean, it depends. You know, this case here is pretty thick as well. So it kind of, you know, it does depend on what kind of nightstand you have. But it started charging there again. Let me try to put that on there. Okay, now it's working. Let me just pull it off again. Let me try it again. I mean, that's how I usually do it. I mean, it's not perfectly centered. I might have to play with it, make sure it's always perfect. See, it's still not charging. Okay, there we go. Wow, that was weird. Let me try that again. Ready? Wait, ready? Hello? Come on. Okay, so I'm definitely having a slight issue. If you have this same kind of Apple Watch stand, be careful because you have casing here and it kind of sits up a little bit higher. Sometimes it's going to charge if I kind of have to play with it and wait a while, and then it'll start charging. But you can see if you look back here, so when I put it like that, it just sits like slightly above it, so you kind of have to play with it. So I definitely wouldn't recommend this one. But if you're not using an actual watch stand or something like this, then you can just simply, it's going to be no problem just popping that on there, and it should start charging right away. But I think that was pretty interesting to note. All the other watch bands I have has no problems, but none of them have this actual casing on there, so it does sit up like higher. Sometimes I can get it like charging for you to play with it, but it's definitely not worth it. Constantly trying to get over here to get it like charging, and once it does charge, it's probably not going to give it like a fast charge. It's probably on there barely. See, right now it's charging, but I bet you it's going to take forever to actually charge my phone. So anyways, cool looking watch. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.